Hello, today I am going to talk about structure of Earth. Earth, we know it's a ball. This is a sphere. The diameter of the Earth is about 12,000 kilometers. Inside, absolutely inside the core, it is called inner core, which has got a radius of about 1200 kilometers. The thing is that this inside part, the core of the Earth, actually is a solid, and the temperature varies from 5000 degrees centigrade to 6000 degrees centigrade. None of the elements found on Earth actually can exist in solid form at those temperatures except in specific conditions, and that is the pressure. The pressure on the core of the Earth is very high. It is extremely high, and that's what makes the core, the inner core of the Earth, solid. And just outside the inner core, it is called outer core, which has got a thickness of about 2200 kilometers. The temperature ranges from 4000 degrees centigrade to 6000 degrees centigrade. The metals, iron, nickel, and the non-metals, sulfur and oxygen, actually are in the molten state, the liquid state. The outer core actually flows around the center of the Earth, around the inner core, and then it has iron. This iron, which is actually flowing around, leads to Earth's magnetic field. Also, the liquid core separates the inner core from the rest of the Earth. Okay, and just outside the outer core, there is something called lower mantle. Now, this lower mantle has got lower temperature, about 3000 degrees centigrade, and it is solid, or I would say quasi-solid. It maintains its shape, and the composition, it does contain iron, oxygen, silicon, magnesium, and aluminium. The rock which makes this lower mantle is hot enough to melt, but solid because pressure pushing down on it. So now if we go further outside from the core, we get something called upper mantle. The temperature have dropped further. Now it is between 1400 degrees centigrade and 3000 degrees centigrade. It is solid liquid, and it does contain like metal, iron, silicon, magnesium, aluminium, and of course there is oxygen gas as well. And above the mantle we have got Earth's crust. The temperature at Earth's crust is around 22 degrees centigrade or so. Okay, we can say within UK in good summer months. Yeah, it is solid in state, but as we know, most of the Earth's surface actually is covered by ocean, and that is called oceanic crust, and then rest of it is land, which is called continental crust. We'll talk further about the composition of Earth in later topics.